Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to make a summer favorite, squash casserole. This is a recipe that my wife's been making for years. Come into the kitchen, enjoy it with us. Stay tuned. The ingredients are in the description below. Okay, the number one ingredient in squash casserole is squash. So we're going to take this and we're going to slice it just like this into medallions, and we'll boil that and then drain it and then put it in a bowl and mix it with our other ingredients and bake it in the oven. And we'll cut these kind of thick so they can hold up. Squash casserole is perfect for Sunday dinners, potlucks, or anytime you want real classic Southern comfort food. Okay, we've put our squash in the water. Got it turned on almost high to get it boiling. We're melting a stick of butter in a frying pan, and now we're adding one coarsely chopped onion. We'll saute the onion until it is soft and translucent. Meanwhile, boil your squash until they're soft. Okay, now we're going to drain our squash. Okay, we're going to pour the butter and the onions into the pot. We're going to set the oven to preheat to 350. We're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. Okay, now we've got our drained squash. There's about 2 pounds here. Now we're going to put in a cup of sour cream. Now we're going to go in with a whole bag of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, and lastly we've got some stuffing mix. And this is a 12-ounce bag. We're going to do about 8 ounces, so it'll be about 3/4 of a bag. Okay, and now we stir. I'm going to try not to make a mess because I'm the worst stirrer in the world. Okay, we're going to grease our pan, baking dish. Then we're going to add our squash into that. Spread it around evenly. Okay, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to cook this for about 30 minutes. We'll see you on the flip side. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to take this out and we're going to top it with some more cheddar cheese. Put it back in there just long enough for the cheese to melt. Okay, we've covered the top with cheddar cheese. Let's stick it back in here. Let that cheese melt and it'll be done. Okay, the cheese is melted. Please like, comment, and share this video. Just look at that. Crispy, cheesy, and full of flavor. This squash casserole is the kind of dish that disappears fast, so be sure to grab a serving while you can. Subscribe for more Southern comfort food classics, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite casserole. And there you have it, squash casserole. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Bob's Cooking and Stuff.